Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another video for y'all. Don't mind how I look. I'm just here to show you guys my enchiladas. So if you guys want to see how they came out, looking so good. If you guys want to see how the enchiladas turned out, then make sure you keep watching this video so I can show you guys how exactly I made them and how they turned out.
Everyday patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. The legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. The Reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have an address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night. And baby, I've been hungry for my night. You know I can hear none of this. Spend the night. My gosh. Wanna see the run up, I wanna die, yeah. Wanna feel it on the hook, you can buy, but with me at the marsh. If you know the boys wanna see me come down, see me come down, stressed out, every day, shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a cheap vacation. Every day, shit, every night, every day, shit, every night, every day, shit.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna
gonna be. Say that you're gonna be.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. $500 for your fucking hair, $200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, and plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he a little too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. $500 for your fucking hair, $200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
I'm in love with you, baby, and I want you to know that I'm hooked on your body.
in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
Okay, so you guys already seen how my plate looked. It looks so freaking good, but I did a little taste test off camera, but I'm gonna do one on camera. So this was my plate, you guys seen it, and I think I plated it pretty cute. I really tried. But yeah, now I'm just trying to get some of this enchilada with the meat and the cheese. I want everything. The bell pepper, I want to taste all of it. I got me a big bite. Yeah, I did it again. I would definitely say the enchilada is the best thing on the plate. The rice is a little dry. I don't know like how I could have fixed that. So yeah, then we have the refried beans. I've never cooked those before. It's my first time. I think they came out pretty decent. But all in all, I think the enchilada is the star of the show. It's so good and flavorful. And yeah, that's my plate. I have plenty of leftovers. I'm actually about to get ready to pack some of this up and take it to my mom's house so she can try some too. But yeah, this was my enchilada dinner recipe. I've been looking on TikTok literally non-stop at enchilada recipes. I wanted to do chicken instead of beef, so we did that tonight. And I'm really happy at how it came out. So that's pretty much the end of this video, so I can go enjoy my food. I hope you guys have enjoyed cooking with me. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, babes, it might be another cooking video, you don't know, then you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for content, and I will see you guys in my next video.